Hi, welcome to Jmeter tutorials. In my previous video, we have learned ramp up period. What is a ramp up period in Jmeter and how to use those ramp up period. Okay. So here you can go through my videos. Jmeter tutorial. I have given different videos from downloading to expert level, advanced reporting generation dashboard, XPath, building web test plan. Okay, export results CSV text and Jmeter Chrome extension, record script in Jmeter, install CSV. These are all I have given. Today we are going to learn response assertion. Okay, so what is assertion? You know, assertion means if you want to test or verify particular HTTP request or any request which could be useful for assertions. Okay, assertion means in order to verify whether given sampler is giving pass or fail status as per your request. Okay, if you are giving request as a blogspot, this is my site blogspot.in, so this is the path you are giving. Okay, if you want to test proper path it is giving, right? If it is giving proper response or not, with the help of assertion you can verify whether the giving request is giving proper response. Okay, today we are going to learn response assertion. Response assertion, this is a control panel. Just click on add assertions, response assertion. Okay, just add this one. It is having name, comment. If you want to provide any comments you can provide. And coming to apply to, see here it is giving main sample and subsamples. Main sample only, subsamples only, Jmeter variable. So what is a main sample? Main sample means this. What is the HTTP request? This is the path, which is a menu item. Okay, menu page. It is open. This is a main sample. So this is a main sample. When coming to subsamples, here main sample and subsamples. While recording your script in Jmeter, when you have given IP, server name or IP path, okay, method is a get. When coming to advanced, when you click this retrieve all embedded resources, okay, parallel download, you can give as a number 6 or 7. Okay, so what is this? Embedded resources from HTML files. So what is this embedded resources? Means a CSV file, sorry, .css file, .js files, PHP files, it is a PHP, Java files. So like this, it is having different files that embedded into that particular HTML page. So see, embedded resources from HTML files, those will be recorded under this particular HTTP request. Okay, this could be, I think it's not necessary. If you want to check how it will give details, just click on this retrieve all embedded resources. Okay, well, if you want to record, see, while recording already it will give you every details under this one. It's default, it is as a checked, this will be checked. Okay, while recording it will give you each and every details. I have given in a previous video, see how to record script in Jmeter. In this video you can see, so what are the embedded resources are recording under this particular each and every HTTP request. Okay, then only you can know that what is a subsample. Okay, here we don't have any subsample, so we can take as a main sample. Okay, understood, right? Main sample and subsamples means one HTTP request sample will have another embedded files from that particular HTML page, which could be recorded under this particular HTTP request sample. Okay, that is a subsamples. Jmeter variable, if you want to use any variables which is coming from, you can give as a user defined variables. From this also you can verify the response. Okay, so presently we are going main samples only. And next coming to response field to test. See, response field to test. What is this response field to test? It is having different text response documents. It could be text, URL sampled, response code, response message, response headers, ignore status. Okay, so let me add view result tree so that you can understand. Listener view result tree. Just save this one. Let me show you. So this is a text response, right? If you want to text response means if you want to test particular text which is coming under all HTML page, which is from in this HTML page, any text you can verify. Okay, before using this, let's write one. Just write. I'm writing. Now let's run our script so that we can understand what document, what URL sample response code. I will give you example. So let me, user is a 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Okay, now run this one. If you run this one, it is giving, see, YouTube tutorials, Selenium, all are giving pass. HTML interview questions. It is having, this is a, see here I have recorded HTTP interview questions. Okay, is a APM interview questions, and it is having subsamples. See, this is a subsamples which is having, this is a main sample which will have subsample. What is this? HTML blogspot.in. This is the HTML page. It is giving subsamples. Why? Because if you click this one, what I have given top 17 API questions, follow redirects and use keep alive. Okay, response assertion I have not given anything. Okay, it is given two subsample. It is giving subsample .com and .in. Here I have given as a .in. .com I have given. Under this .com it is having two subsample .com and .in. You see here I am given only .in. Here I have given only .in, so that's why it is not having any subsample. So let's understand the response assertion. These are text response means, say I have given YouTube tutorials. See here it is, you are seeing text, right? It is a request which is coming blogspot.in YouTube tutorials. Then coming to response, yes, you need to search here YouTube tutorial find. See, it is find, right? What I have given tutorials I have given, right? Yes, just find means text response means what are the text present in that particular HTTP request sample. This is a HTTP request samples. This is a text response. Text response means what are the text you have given or verify, what are the text you want to verify. This text should be present in HTTP response HTML file. What are the HTTP requests we are giving? That HTTP request giving HTML file response which is verifying this QTP tutorial text. Okay, this QTP tutorial text which is using to verify this QTP tutorial samples with the help of all HTML. It will search for all HTML, wherever the text present it will search until that text is not present. That could be fail. It could be fail. See, it pass, right? So next coming to what I have given text response means text. This is a text. Okay, you want to check for document. When coming to here, you will see document, right? If you click on documents, so what it is giving XML parse error, means this is not a document. This could be a HTML file or text response. Okay, documents means if you want to verify the response for text files, okay, and Word files, PDF files, text, then you can go for documents. and URL samples. Okay, when coming to here, you can check for URL samples. See, URL samples means, see here it is giving the HTTP www.3org. This is giving, right? Let me copy one URL and you can understand. So we can go for this URL once. Let me check. This is a URL samples. Okay, let me give this URL. I have selected for URL samples, right? HTML. This is a HTML. Okay. URL samples. Okay, just save this one and the URL sample. Just close, clear this one, and let me add listeners to verify assertion. This what are the result it is giving. We will check this one. Okay, save and run this one. See, it is giving QTP tutorial as a failed. Why? Because assertion failed message, test failed, URL expected to contain this one. See, expected to contain this one. And coming to assertion result, response failed because URL expected to contain this one. What I have given, .com I have given, right? It is given as a .in. You can give .in. So, okay, save. Just clear this one. Now run. If you run this one, it is given pass status. See, assertion result QTP tutorials. Wait, it is giving as a QTP tutorial HTML. Assertion result is a QTP tutorials. Okay. Request is this is the response. This is a request QTP tutorial HTML. This response assertion I am checking. This is a URL sample. What is the URL I have given from here? That is a URL sample. I am testing whether it is present in then particular response or not. See, this URL I have given, right? This URL, this is .com. When coming to .in, I will show you. When coming to .in, you have to find. See, it is finding what it is giving QTP tutorials. URL. This is the URL. Instead of checking text, you can check with the URL, which is giving as a QTP tutorials. See, it is giving as a QTP tutorials. That's why here you have seen this is a pass status. Okay. Next, we will go for response code. Okay, what is response code? Response code, it could be many response codes. How you can say, if HTTP 404 means it is a error in your particular web page, means it is not giving or it is not retrieving any data with the help of request. So means it is not going to server or it is not giving any response from the server. At that time we will give 404 means it is not able to connect to the server at all. And when coming to 500, HTTP 500 means error code. This is a 500 means error code. Error code means it is giving some Java, if it is application is developed with Java, it is giving as a error, Java errors. It is giving different exception. Previously we have seen when we can clicked on document, it is giving as the XML parse error, which is a 500 errors. Okay, so let's go for, let's see here. So what are the sample request? It is given response code is 200, means response message is okay. This response code is 200. Response message means okay. See, HTTP header is giving as a 200. Okay. Okay, if you want to check, we are checking for 200, right? Response code 200 means valid. It is a valid response. If you just save this one, just I have entered 200 here. Okay, just clear this one and save. Just run this one more time. If you run this one, it will give you the response which could be a 200. If it is giving 200 means your assertion result is a QTP tutorials. It is giving as a QTP tutorials. Means what is the response file, what is the response sample URL, which is HTTP request, which is giving as a QTP tutorials. This is a QTP tutorial. Previously we have seen, right? When coming to request and response, let me search this one, why it is giving qtp tutorial one more time. Just copy, just paste and see, I have pasted here already. Just find this one, it is giving as a qtp tutorials, understood right? It is giving as a qtp tutorial, that's why it is giving result as a qtp tutorials. Okay, view result tree, see this is a response is a 200. If I am giving response is a another which is a 400 or 404, what it will give? It will give you as a error, means the response which is you are expecting or verifying, which is a 400, your response code is a 400, but it has given as a another response code. That's why your http sample request is failed. See here 200 and request is a this one response data is giving as a proper response. This is a 200, means response assertion test failed, code expected to contain 400. Understood right? So like this you can use for response codes. If you know a response code you can use. Okay, when coming to next step is a response message. See here I have seen response message is a okay. Okay, this one okay means this response which is giving for particular http request, which is giving response message okay means response code 200 means it is 100% given correct response data in the form of html. We can see as a html. Okay, you can see as a html. See here I have seen a text, here you can see as a html, the form of html means HTML web design. So this is a HTML page like this. Okay, you can see in the form of different ways. Okay, if it is a JSON everything you can see from here. Okay, you can understand right? Response assertion, how to use response headers. See, response header means what it is giving. Response headers is HTTP 200 okay is the response header. This I am giving here. Okay, clear this one and just save, just verify this is clear, not clear. Okay, response headers, just run this one, let's see what will happen. See it is given past status. Why? Because the response header is correct as per http tutorial, means page is giving as a proper response header. Okay, so like this you can use for response assertion. And coming to this one pattern, contains, matches, equals, I'm giving as a equals. Let's see what will happen. If you run this one, I have given as a equals. Okay, qtp tutorial, it is giving fail. Why? Because see received as a http 200 okay rex robot tag, everything it is giving different comparisons. Okay, had to be equal, text field header expected to equal this one comparison, but it is content received these many, that's why it is giving as an error. Previously we have selected as a substring, that's why it is not giving any. See, let's see contents. So I'm writing contents, response headers, right? Response message contains, response message contains, let's see any response data I want to test for. QTP. See here you see HP quick test professional. I want to test for this one, HP quick test professional. As in response, what are the response data it is given? Message, I want to test this one. This field, let's close this one, sorry, save this one and remove. I have given as contains. It is contains response message, it will what it will give you. See, if you run this one, it is giving fail. Why it is giving fail? Let's see. Text may expected to contain HP quick test professional. Text failed. Assertion error is false. So, but text failed to contain is a professional. See what is the result? Same. It means which is not find in the response. Okay, response message is okay. So let's write X okay. Contains means as per this text response document URL samples response code response, this one you can use matches. If it is matches, then see, just clear this one, save and run. Given pass, why? Because it is matches, response means is matches. Okay, so like this you need to use response assertion and response results. Okay, what are the results you want to check while you are running with the number of virtual users around 150? Then you are not able to see what it is giving actually for each and every response. You can check with assertion results. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my videos and please like and provide your valuable comments on this video, and please share with your social networking so that most of the users, so many users are searching every day in Google and YouTube, so that they can get knowledge very easily with real-time example I am giving. Yeah, yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for my videos for more videos. Yeah, thank you, bye.